Hello friends, I'm Sanket. Our today's topic is iOS application fundamentals. So now for the iOS application development, what should required for the development? So now here you can see for the required for iOS beginner. So now here listed some topics of the iOS beginner. So now first is you have to require the basic programming with C or C++. Now second is you have to also require the basic object oriented programming concept using any language C++ or Java. Then after you have to require the basic functionality of this Swift programming, means only as a core Swift, not a GUI site. Now you have to require the Mac OS for the development, and also you have to require the Xcode. So now here Xcode, it's a developing tools of the iPhone application development. So now here there are different types of languages provided by Apple for the development. So now actually there are two different types of languages, Objective C and Swift. Okay, now Apple is provided a two different language, but right now in market, so 90 to 95% application development ratio on Swift language. So now here what's the difference between Objective C and Swift? Now first thing, Objective C is right now outdated. Okay, now in Objective C actual development that time, the file structure means your file structure in Objective C has been divided two different files. So now here you can see .h file and .m file. So now what's new in Swift? So now here in Swift only .swift means only single files are required. So now here in Objective C .h means it's a header file and .m means it's a implementation file. So now in Swift the combination of .h and .m is only single .swift file. So now these are the major difference about the Objective C and Swift. Now next is for the application development for the iOS beginner, again Swift is a required. So now Swift is a new programming language, it's provided by Apple. Now also Swift is a powerful programming language that is also easy to learn. Now according to Swift, so now Swift is a programming language for the Mac OS, iOS, watchOS and tvOS. Now actually there are four different types of platforms provided by Apple. So now here you can see the listed the macOS, iOS, watchOS and tvOS. But here the our fundamental is only on the iOS application development. So now that time for the mobile application development you have to require the basic fundamental knowledge about Swift. So now this is the basic fundamental required of the iOS application development. Thank you.